Rich Rossi here. We're gonna show you what this is all about. Andrew Kane just showed up with his camera. We're gonna get a shot with David and everybody. All right, and we're videotaping the still shot of this, and that's what independent filmmaking is all about. It's about spontaneity.
Yeah.
We didn't expect the naked cowboy here today, but we got David. He's the director of Crumble.
Backside.
Crumble?
Yeah, it's Crumble. I'm the producer of Crumble, and I just want to let. Okay, and that's the executive producer of Crumble.
Hey, as you're speaking about Crumble, they're showing his ass. I want you to know. What is that?
Well, we're here with the Naked Cowboy today, and I just want to let you know that Crumble is going to be premiering on July 24th, which is Saturday, and it's going to be premiering at 6:10 p.m. on Screen 3 at Village East Cinema. And I just want to let you know that afterwards we're going to be having a big after party at the Gates. The Gates on 8th Avenue between 24th and 25th. And the Naked Cowboy, he can't go. Just real quick. And the Naked Cowboy, I just want to let you, I met the Naked Cowboy at the Vin Diesel party during the HBO Latino Film Festival. And what do you have to say about that?
Great. I remember.
You rock. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.